Greetings from the luxurious travel of the future. Put all of your knowledge regarding RVs to the side. With its concept of a camper, the British luxury behemoth Bentley bravely ventures into unknown territory in 2026. This is a message rather than merely a car. Imagine a sophisticated monster driving down the road with an exterior that exudes Bentley DNA. The recognizable big matrix grille on either side of the sleek adaptive LED headlights, the flowing body lines that are accentuated with carbon fiber and rich chrome, and the large, custom alloy wheels. Although the proportions are large, Bentley's distinctive air of speed and grace is still there. There is an equally remarkable engine below all of that luxury. It is anticipated that the 2026 Bentley Motorhome would be propelled by a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid drivetrain, most likely consisting of a powerful electric motor and a twin-turbocharged V6 or V8 engine tuned for efficiency and power. Even for a car this size, the combined output could reach over 700 horsepower and enormous quantities of immediate torque, guaranteeing perfect and smooth acceleration. It would also provide an all-electric range for short, emission-free trips. It's the ideal fusion of elegance, performance, and ecological consciousness. As soon as you enter, the dashboard greets you as a technological and artistic marvel. The focal point is an ultra-wide, curved touchscreen infotainment display that runs almost the whole length of the dashboard, combining sophisticated 3D navigation, vehicle controls, and a top-tier infotainment system. It is made from the finest leather with fine hand stitching, rich burr wood accents, and polished chrome or aluminum metal. All important data is shown in clear visuals on the completely adjustable digital instrument panel. When they are present, physical buttons are unique pieces of art made of solid metal that have a pleasing tactile reaction. The interior living space is a mobile, opulent lounge. Thick quilted leather sofas and chairs are incredibly comfortable and electrically reconfigurable. A large L-shaped sofa, swiveling captain's chairs, or even a dining table that folds and conceals itself are all options. Large panoramic side windows with electronically adjustable opacity provide unhindered views. The ideal atmosphere is produced by adjustable LED ambient lighting, and concert caliber sound is produced by a custom audio system from a well-known company. Entering the bedroom will reveal a peaceful haven. The finest silk sheets are placed on top of an orthopedic mattress that has been specially fitted for a king-size bed. For all of your requirements, there is a walk-in wardrobe with roomy storage drawers and inside illumination. Additionally, there is a concealed flat-screen TV that only turns on when necessary, and you can manage the temperature, lighting, and window shades using a touch-sensitive control panel next to the bed. A perfect rest is guaranteed by the tranquil surroundings and seclusion from the outside world. The bathroom, which has been created to 5-star hotel standards, is your own sanctuary. It has a high-tech smart toilet, double sinks with chrome or gold faucets, and heated marble floors. The full-size shower's body jets and rain showerhead provide steady water pressure. The refreshing shower experience is completed with an anti-fog mirror, bright lighting, and sophisticated ventilation, offering unmatched comfort while traveling. The kitchen of the Bentley Motorhome is a gourmet haven that doesn't sacrifice elegance or practicality. The worktops are composed of premium quartz or marble. Full-size refrigerators and freezers, induction cooktops, convection ovens, microwaves, and dishwashers are examples of built-in kitchen equipment from well-known manufacturers like Gaggenau and Sub-Zero. A built-in espresso maker, a wine chiller, and an abundance of well-thought-out cabinet storage with soft close mechanisms are all included. You can make delicious meals in this kitchen from anywhere.